that humility will have to be first, earlier than self-awareness. Dapat, kaya nating magpakumbaba to admit there is something wrong. I can be a better person than how I am. I could have stated those words to this person na kausap ko differently na hindi siya ma-offend. So in essence, that humility will have to be first, earlier than self-awareness. Pagka ang stance ko sa sarili ko, ang galing-galing ko naman, kailangan ko pa ba yan? Then I will never be self-aware. Kasi magaling nga ako, perfect nga ako eh. Yun yung foundation ng self-awareness. The humility to be able that I'm not perfect and I'd like to be better. Gusto kong mas maging mabuting tao. And then your self-awareness comes in. Because only in humility and understanding and admitting that we're not perfect, then we're able to see in a more balanced way. Dito magaling ako, dito may pagkukulang pa ako. Then anong pwede kong gawin?